It's a biplane.
It's ditch. Ditch.
Shit.
It's ditch.
Shit. Shit.
This sounds brilliant on my THX sound system. This sounds brilliant in Dolby stereo. Put a bit of the sub bass on, sub bass extension on. Got playing it through the Dolby CP200. Got to go through the calibration levels again and such. So I think when temperature warms up, you see the air, you know, velocity of sound, the sound changes velocity. But I wouldn't say a big deal too much, but anyway, recalibrate. I know what to do. I know what to do. I know what to do with this. I've only got this film playing on fader 5 at the moment, and so I would have saw this at 1994, I think, in one of the small screens in at UCI Tower Park. In Dolby Stereo SR with overhead surround. Wow. It rumbles with the sub bass extension. Just doing I just like there's a sound action replay. It sounds brilliant on match screen speakers. Sounds absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's great if it's on the video projector, but you know, I only use video projector for guests. Well, not much at the moment. Sounds bloody theatrically realistic, especially going through a THX sound system in the kitchen, DSP crossovering, and bloody Dolby CP500 to Dolby CP200. There you go. Laserdisc sounds absolutely awesome. I mean, I could tune this up to be like nobody's business, but there's only so much the JBL 2206 in the JBL Control 5 box can only do. I mean, with tuning carefully and such, I can get them to go down fairly low. If I had a better box for them, I could probably get them to go down just a little bit extra, best. I haven't got room for proper 15-inch screen speakers, so I've got to settle with 12-inch with HF horns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. It's only playing left, centre, right at the moment because it's just Dolby Stereo Matrix 424. It sounds absolutely brilliant. Probably doesn't pick up very well on the camera phone. On the DSLR camera with its microphone, it picks up reasonable. With the microphones I tried, 2 of them with stereo, because you use the pan pots. set left to set right to do stereo field record. Yeah, it was okay. I could have experimented a little bit differently, because you got to think where, well, if I'm over in this position here, it's going to sound different, or it's going to sound how it is. Okay, and if I were to move over into that position and just stand crouched down and sit crouched down in this position, it's going to sound different to over here. That's just the way it is in real life as well, so don't panic. Okay, you don't have to panic. Simple thing is, when checking speakers, put the microphone as near to the screen speakers and go through them one at a time by moving the microphone. Go and get the levels all set. It's all the same. It's a pain really to keep moving the microphone, because it's easy to then have all the microphones set up, which I can do if I want to. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 microphones all set up, and then use the mixer and then just go through by muting one channel at a time, because if I'm going to sound this one, I only want it on that microphone, not all the rest of them. Otherwise the reading you get on the microphone is going to be a little bit false, sort of thing. It'd be kind of like having ears stretched out, or if you know what I mean. I know it sounds weird, but do it one at a time in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3 in most common home cinemas, but mine's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very uncommon that you have a home cinema that's got 5 screen. And then just go through the sequence very steadily, and everything should line up. But it sounds bit very loud at the moment, because how it's tuned up. What I was doing last night, and I only added a bit more bass on top because I was doing something different last night. Wow. Wow. Wow.